Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn about top currency converters. Let's start. Currency Converter Calculator will convert your money based on current values from around the world. We will use 3 websites. Website number 1. Go to https://www.google.com. Type or paste currency converter and press search button. On top of search result, Google will show their currency converter. Fill this converter according to your need. Great, Google successfully convert your money into your required currency. Website number 2. Go to https://www.msn.com/n-us/money/tools/currency converter. Fill this converter according to your need. Great, MSN successfully convert your money into your required currency. Website number 3. Go to https://www.exchange-rates.org/majorates.aspx. Fill this converter according to your need. Great, exchange-rates.org successfully convert your money into your required currency. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.